At a recent media briefing, the People's Bank of China reiterated its anti-crypto stance. According to the central bank, virtual currencies such as Bitcoin cannot compete with legal tender in the country. The bank officials argued that cryptocurrencies are not backed by any real value. Virtual currency transactions are simply pure hype, according to the central bank. To protect their wallets, the public was advised to raise risk awareness and consciously avoid crypto. The statement of Yin Youping, the deputy director of the People's Bank of China, Financial Consumer Rights Protection Bureau, was reported by People's Daily Online. Virtual currency transactions, he claims, are nothing more than pure investment speculation. We want to remind people that virtual currencies like Bitcoin are not legal tender and have no intrinsic value. The bank's future strategy was revealed by Deputy Director Yin Youping. He stated that the next step for the central bank will be to establish a normalized working mechanism, which will be accompanied by a high-pressure situation. Youping also stated that the nationwide crypto crackdown would continue. He also urged the general public to report any suspicious activity involving illegal funds as soon as possible. In the event of a possible rebound in virtual currency trading operations, Yin Youping stated that in 2021, the central bank will use its task force to locate overseas exchanges as well as domestic traders. The bank will also focus on the prohibition of trading websites, apps, and corporate channels that encourage and enable cryptocurrency use in the country. Because of active and intensified policy publicity, the central bank will intensify its crypto crackdown by collaborating with the China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission's-led department. They want to use virtual currency and blockchain to detect and shut down illegal fundraising activities. The bank is concentrating on system construction, monitoring and early warning, combating and handling, publicity and education, and resolutely combating the use of virtual currency and blockchain that facilitate illegitimate fundraising in order to achieve its mission.